Midwest Youth Services, this is Rhonda.
They need a chance, and we give them that chance.
To feel safe, to feel like they're being heard, and also how to provide the family with how to deal with the current situation.
And we're talking teenage kids, and we'll contact the services here.
We get a lot of support from law enforcement. We really look at that as a partnership. The mission of Midwest Youth Services is to deter kids from the juvenile justice and child welfare systems.
We provide services to youth that are age 9 to 17.
We serve the 5 surrounding counties, so it's Morgan, Scott, Schuyler, Cass, and Brown County.
We provide 24-hour, 7-day-a-week crisis intervention and mediation services to runaway, homeless, at-risk kids.
Families going through difficult times and many problems, whether it be parents having problems with children or children having problems with parents.
A lot of these families are at the end of the rope.
I don't want to be with mom, I don't want to be with dad, whatever the case may be, and they're adamant. We've had parents drop kids off at the police department. I'm done, and then leave.
Just as early as last week, we had a major crisis in the home, and they were called out to assist us. Not only did they assist us with the crisis, the worker sat with me at the hospital throughout the night. She was back here to work at 8 o'clock the following morning, and she is still following up.
We fill in the gaps where parents feel like they have no options.
And our hands are tied with law enforcement.
It is spur of the moment, you know, anytime we can get a call from the police department.
This is a very difficult system to navigate.
You can never prepare yourself for that because you never know what you're walking into.
We try to deal with the parents and the kids and try to see if we can find some common ground.
Typically, they are striving towards the same goal, they just don't realize it.
Somehow, they'll have a representative come out and they find a way to get the family back together.
How can we keep this family intact? How can we get this kid home?
And that's the ultimate goal.
Not only just to get you home, but to make that a tolerable living situation. For each kid, we do a service plan, so each youth has their own set of goals.
And then we try to find out what is missing in the child's life with the family.
Typically, you know, through our assessments, we come up with 2 to 3 goals for them to work on.
You know, we do continue to follow them to the point of success and what their goals are and, you know, help them reach those.
They're very determined. We don't give up easily.
We are the first people that they see at the police station or the hospital.
We have the support from our coworkers, from our director.
Well, the staff is everything.
If people are around a negative situation, they sense that right away, and you're not going to make any progress with them. So to see consistent progress being made anytime they're involved just is the credit to their staff.
If we weren't here, there would be no place for runaway homeless youth to go. They would be forced to go into the legal system or into DCFS care.
If Midwest was not here, I'm not sure where we would be, and I don't want to find out.
We would really be in a world of hurt without Midwest Youth.
The community would have really no resource for young at-risk kids.
It's just, I can't put into words enough, and the thanks and appreciation we in the law enforcement field have for them helping us out.
Sometimes we just need help, and we don't reach out.
People don't want to ask for help.
Pride reasons, just the fear of the unknown.
We actually have a very high success rate. 95 to 98% of the kids that we see return home.
Youth need to realize that they don't have to suffer alone. There are people, there are agencies out there to help them, and this is one of them.
It doesn't have to reach the point of crisis for us to provide services.
You might have said before, oh, we've tried counseling before and that didn't work. Well, try us. Midwest Youth Services is here to help.